Yo guys, welcome back to Tech UX. It's your boy Mo, back again with another video. I know it's been a little while, just got busy with life, work, and all that good stuff, but let's get into the video. So today's video is going to be about the HomePod Mini, which is Apple's smart speaker, which has Siri integrated in it. It is the successor of the original $350 HomePod, which is again is fairly overpriced, and Apple's actually discontinuing that one. But the Mini is supposed to be the next big thing. It's supposed to offer great sound in a small package, and of course offers all the HomeKit accessories, assistance. So like, you know, you can use Siri to control the locks on your door, to control the lights in the room, anything that's HomeKit supported and connected to the Wi-Fi should be supported. So I'm just gonna go through the unboxing session with you guys, the setup process, and then of course testing out the sound and seeing how it is. All right, let's get right into the video. All right, as you guys can see here, we have in front of me the HomePod Mini. This is Apple's portable mini speaker. Well, not really portable because it needs to be plugged in order to be used, but this is Apple's mini speaker and the successor to the original $350 HomePod, which I believe we can all agree is a bit overpriced. So let's get into it. Just use the rusty blade in there. And then we start undoing the packaging. Alright, once we get the plastic out the way, it just seems to kind of just lift right off. Alright, and once it is off, you are greeted with the HomePod itself. It is fairly small. It's like the size of a baseball. Yeah, like the average size of a normal baseball. It does have like a netted feeling towards it, so it is all like sort of quilted, netted and stuff. So it feels really good though, so I can't lie, it definitely feels good. But this is white, so I'm assuming this material can probably get pretty dirty. Hopefully there's an easy way to clean it. And yeah, so this is the USB-C cable that connects automatically into the HomePod. There's no way to remove that, so the HomePod is stationary and definitely needs to be plugged into power in order to work. Let's see what else we get in the box. I'm not expecting much, but there is a pull tag, so you pull that, and just the cover. There is some manuals in there, so I suck with these things. Yep, there we go. So you have the manual, HomePod Mini. Oh, you also get some lovely Apple stickers with those. And then we also get a charge brick in the box. This is an 18-watt charge brick. Yeah, so these are getting more and more rare to find inside Apple products nowadays. So yeah, it's good to have. And yep, that's all. Nothing else inside the box. Okay, and this is the HomePod itself. I'm gonna go ahead, plug it in, and then we're gonna test out the sound and everything else. Also, one thing to note is the USB-C cable that connects into the HomePod is actually a braided cable, so it's not like your standard Apple cables that you get with the phones and tablets and stuff like that. Those normally fray pretty easy, and I'm assuming since this is connected straight and directly to the HomePod and cannot be replaced, that they wanted to make sure this is quite durable and lasts a long time. So you do get a braided cable here instead, as you guys can see that right there. So yeah, so this definitely feels durable, and I feel like it should last. These are the same ones that are made from like the Nomad cables. Those cables last for years, so yeah. All right, and now the HomePod is up and ready, and it looks like this little white circle that's going around in the top area. And once, there you go. So once it's on, I get like this weird vibration sensation coming on from my iPhone, and all I have to do is put it right near it, and as you can see, it just connected right there. I did previously set it up. It makes you go through a few step process of like adding it and everything, but since I've added it, it doesn't seem like I'll be able to show you guys that process. But it was a fairly simple, pretty straight Apple forward setup. You just choose the HomePod, you name it, and boom, you're good to go. It connects to the Wi-Fi that your phone is connected to, so you do need to be connected to Wi-Fi, and boom, there you go, it's automatically connected. And let's go ahead and we'll test out the sound. Oh, sorry about that. So let's just get some music going on over here. Give me a second. All right, hopefully none of this music is copyrighted or anything. But so yeah, let's see what's going on over here, and let's play a classic. And once the music is playing, let's see. Okay, there we go. So just connect like that. You get like a little weird vibration sensation. Connect like that, and boom. So it is actually very loud. So let me turn it down actually. So you can control the volume from your phone where the music is playing from. So just like that, and of course increase it. And I have to say, this is extremely impressive for such a small speaker. And it's not just loud, the sound quality itself is also very, very well. So yeah, let me just pause that now. There we go. So just tap to pause it, and you can double tap to skip. It's like almost with AirPods, you could triple tap to rewind. And again, once you like just get your phone near it like that, it automatically plays whatever that's playing on your phone and just puts it out through the speaker. And of course, since it's Siri integrated, you can ask it questions like, well, what's the weather? When's your next appointment? Turn off the lights, turn on the lights, all those sort of automated things that you can automate yourself. And yeah, so there it is, the HomePod Mini. Definitely impressed with the sound for such a small guy. Definitely can see myself picking up another one to set up a stereo setup in my house. But definitely the sound is definitely impressive. I'm pretty sure it'll be good for home entertainment, not just listening to music and podcasts. So just having like a dual stereo setup might also be very interesting. And let me know if you guys want to see that in the comment section below. But besides that, yeah, this little guy actually packs a big punch. So yeah, let's see it. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Again, I should be uploading regularly now, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I definitely want to hear from you guys. What do you think about the HomePod? Do you guys want to see a comparison with another smart speaker? Do you already use a smart speaker and decide and maybe think that one is a little bit better? So just let me know in the comment section below, guys. All right, peace out.